This pocket option account has made over $50,000 in the past month using this one simple trading strategy. So in this video, I'll show you guys how I go from $0 to over $500 in profit with just 3 trades using this strategy. Without much talk, let's get to the video. First, I'll place a single trade and show that the strategy actually works. Then I'll explain how this strategy works and what indicators you need to use this strategy. Finally, I'll show you guys a few more trades using the strategy and my final profit for the day. So let's place the first trade. For this strategy, I will be using TradingView to find possible entry points in the market. According to the strategy, this point in the market is a good entry point for a sell trade. So I will place a $100 sell trade right here. As you guys saw, I closed that trade with $89 profit. Now let's move on to the explanation of the strategy. We will be using the Smart Money Concepts indicator. To add this indicator, go to your TradingView application and select the Indicators tab. Here, search Smart Money Concepts and select this specific indicator. Now go to the indicator settings and uncheck all the boxes except the internal order block. This indicator shows us key zones where the price is likely to reverse, based on where big institutions have placed large buy or sell orders in the past, which are shown in these internal order blocks. Since I'll be placing 5-minute trades, I will also change the candlestick duration for 5 minutes in TradingView. In this strategy, we are looking for price rejections from these order blocks. If we can identify a price rejection we're looking for, we can go for a reversal trade in the market. This means that in order to place a sell trade in the market, a green candle in the market needs to touch the order block and close below it. This indicates that the order block has rejected the upward candle and the next candle will probably be a downward candle. So as soon as the green candle closes below the order block, we need to go for a sell trade. To place a buy trade according to this strategy, a red candle needs to touch but close above an order block like this, indicating that the order block has rejected the downward movement, and the next candle will probably be an upwards candle. Alright, now let's place a few more trades using this strategy. In the EUR and AUD market, we can see that 2 red candles have touched the order block, but closed above it. This is a strong signal for trend reversal in the market, so I will place a buy trade right here. I won that trade as well. Let's place one final trade. In this market, we can see that a red candle has touched and closed above the order block, indicating a movement rejection. So, according to the strategy, I will place another buy trade in the market. I successfully closed the final trade with a profit as well. So this brings my total profits for the day to $520 with just 3 trades. If you want to learn more profitable and easy pocket option trading strategies like this, make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.